Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you looking for ways to boost your income and build wealth? Side hustles can be a great way to earn extra money, pursue your passions, and achieve financial freedom. Let's explore some popular side hustles and how to get started. Firstly, identify your skills. The first step to starting a successful side hustle is to identify your skills and strengths. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Consider your hobbies, work experience, and education to find ideas for side hustles that fit your skills. Make a list of your strengths and interests to help you brainstorm ideas. Now on next, we will discuss on popular side hustles. Some popular side hustles include freelancing, writing, designing, programming, online tutoring or teaching, selling products online, e-commerce, drop shipping, ride sharing or driving for companies like Uber or Lyft, pet sitting or dog walking, selling handmade products, crafts, jewelry, art, offering services like photography, graphic design, or social media management. Now we will explore the online opportunities. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for side hustles. You can sell products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, create and sell online courses or ebooks, start a blog or YouTube channel to monetize your passion, participate in online surveys or focus groups. Getting started with a side hustle requires minimal investment, but it does require effort and dedication. Start by researching your idea and competition, creating a plan and setting goals, investing in necessary tools or equipment, marketing your services or products. Now we will explore the time management. One of the biggest challenges of side hustling is managing your time effectively. Make sure to prioritize your main job and other responsibilities. Allocate specific times for your side hustle. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized. Set realistic goals and deadlines. Tips for success. To succeed with your side hustle, remember to be patient and persistent. Continuously improve and adapt. Focus on providing value to your customers. Stay organized and manage your finances effectively. Side hustles can be a great way to earn extra money, pursue your passions, and build wealth. By identifying your skills, exploring popular side hustles, and getting started, you can turn your side hustle into a successful venture. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on building wealth and living a more frugal lifestyle. What's your favorite side hustle? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on making extra money and achieving financial freedom.